Well, good morning, guys. I just wanted to show you a little tidbit of something. So we are on deck 7 on the Carnival Dream, and we just found the laundry room just right past our room. And they have a nice sink where you could, you know, pre-wash something. They have washers, dryers, both at $3.50 a piece. They also have where you can get laundry detergent and dryer sheets for $2 a piece. And then they have everybody's always been talking about their clothes come wrinkled. Take a look. Now you have an iron with a nice ironing board that you can come back here, iron your clothes before you have to go off on your beautiful dinner all dressed up. So I think this is awesome. They've got quite a few in here. So a little high priced, I think, than a regular, you know, washateria, but you know, you're on a cruise ship. What do you expect?
KeyWest, baby. Here we are. Let's go hit the shore. Hit the shore. We're gonna hit the shore. Whoa, look at me. I'm flying away over here.
Do our opener.
Yeah, do our opener. Well, good morning. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Carla. I'm Carla.
I'm Daniel. We are Hoovers on the Move.
Hoovers on the Move.
Hoovers on the Move. Good afternoon. We are Hoovers on the Move. As you may know, I am Daniel.
And I am Carla. Stay tuned. Right after this commercial. Boop.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Ooh, there she is. We are on land now. And these are a bunch of people that are checking in for their excursions. And we're gonna take the little bridge going across over to the land.
Woo! Well, good morning, everybody. And this is day 2 of this 8-day cruise on the beautiful Carnival Dream.
Y'all check this out. Chocolate dipped key lime pie. Wow, nice. This is just right outside the ship. They got all these shops, and we're headed over to, what's it called? Mallory something.
Mallory Square.
Mallory
Just
Square.
Trying to see what we can see by foot.
I think we'll take this one out next time. We'll trade it in for that one. Ice cream parlor. Oh, and I love the bar. We got the mobile bar.
Yeah, this is cute.
We got a little mobile bar. I love that. What a nice little wood rim. Everything. That's pretty cool. Got his little lights up there. That's cool. Here we're at the shops at Mallory Square. So here in this mall, we got everything from pictures to coffee shops. We got ice cream parlors. We got quite a variety of bathrooms. We got the young man here that likes the camera. They got some soaps, purses, even creams. They got little testers. Not tasters, even though that does look like mustard. Yeah, testers. An ATM, and they got some information over there of stuff going around, stuff to do around the area. Bathrooms upstairs. They have a cooking school up there too.
There's a whole second floor to this.
Yeah, whole second floor. They got a little puppy kitty store too, so you can get all your stuff for your puppies and kitties. Then they got some art decor for the walls at home. I'm sure they do shipping. Oh, little cards that open up. Look at this one, it's a little cruise ship. There we got a pirate ship. Yeah, that's pretty cool. The greenhouse dispensary. We got bubbles. Look at that, almost free, $10 shares, $3.99, almost free. Oh geez, we got a tour here. It's a conch tour train. Gotta check out that ride. I want to drive.
Hi.
Check out the map. Mallory Square. That's helpful.
Harry Truman's little White House. 2 blocks away.
Mr. Truman. He has a nice little, what they call a White House here. Hey, there's a cruise port. Seafood place. Get a taste of the ocean. It's called Yummy Crab Seafood. It's right behind the red building, which is right behind the ship. So all of this is in walking distance of the ship. We're gonna go check out these t-shirts over here. KeyWest Aquarium. They got these little hop on and off buses all over the place. Rooster alert. Get your loofahs here. Oh, check out these lighthouses. Those are pretty cool. I love lighthouses. Oh, there's a salty frog. Some type of park over here.
So this is KeyWest Historic Memorial Sculptural Garden that was dedicated September 27th, 1997. That's Margot Colin.
Gorgeous. See you, Rooster.
Well,
You can't hide from me.
Oh no, there's a whole bunch more.
They're all over the place. There's some chicken. Looks like we found Ernest Hemingway. Passed away in 1961. Looks like a nice little restaurant. I'd probably butcher that name. El Maison de Pepe restaurant. Cuban and island cuisine. They got their little menu out here by the street too. Turtle World. It's everything turtle. Mama's kind of store.
$12.99 for those.
Wow.
That's a good price.
Yep.
And it's starting to get chilly.
Aw, Merry Christmas. We got our Fat Tuesdays. Gotta have one of those. Then you got the conch tour train. CVS, if anybody needs that while they're in town. Interesting building. Right here on the corner. These balconies sticking out over here. And of course we have to have our Harley Davidson shop.
Alright guys, we found ourselves, woohoo, thank you, at Sloppy Joe's. Guys, this is going to be super fun. I think this is what we're going to do right here. I like the sampler platters. We got our drinks, rum punch, the Sloppy Joe Rita. This is gonna be amazing. I cannot wait.
Welcome to Sloppy Joe.
You caught me.
Busted.
Take a look, guys. Okay, so remember I said we're gonna get that sampler platter, and that's what that looked like. It comes with spaghetti sauce, buffalo sauce, and key lime mustard. I am intrigued.
Yeah, it's like a bar street right here. We're right here in front of Sloppy Joe's. And they got Tiki House. They got some place where you can get some.
And I have to say, a lot of these places are open till like 4 a.m.
Yeah. You got Dirty Harry's, all these pizzerias and bars, and I guarantee you these places are lit up all night.
Drinks were perfect. Really, really good. Food, I mean, you know, it was good. It was bar food. Yeah, there's Sloppy Joe.
Hard Rock Cafe. Isn't that cute? That is cute. Red Barn Theater next door. Wow. These places that used to be colonial homes are just beautiful. I mean, is that wild or what? If you like your beef jerky, there you go. Y'all check out this church. That is gorgeous. That is one crazy looking tree.
We got you! Hey guys, guess what? We're here at Rick's and KeyWest, and our bartender just decided to have us try something else. So you know that at Sloppy Joe's, which is right across the street actually, we tried key lime mustard. Now we're trying a key lime shot. I don't know. Cheers. Holy cow, that's good.
That's gone.
I can't even begin to tell you what's in it.
No,
Normally I can like taste things and kind of break it apart. I can't.
there's nothing I recognize.
I have no idea what's in this.
It's good though.
It's delicious.
And it is a sweet drink.
Yeah, but it wouldn't hurt me. And then I've already had 3 margaritas. Oh God. Oh, and yeah, when did this man start drinking Coronas? But let me tell you something. This lady over here, she knows what she's doing. She fixed it up for him, and it really tastes good. I was like, oh, I would have a Corona. It's pretty
Normally,
tasty.
if I drink a beer, I'll drink a Dos Equis, but they didn't have Dos Equis here, so I was like, well, just give me the Corona then.
I'm
Not bad.
impressed. And then, before that big, nasty 2020 secret nut. Look at this.
Peanuts,
Bar snacks.
dry roasted,
Oh my God,
and
they're so
salted.
good.
Dry roasted and salted. Those are really good.
I'm loving it. I'm having the time of my life. All right, we got to go.
Yeah.
He's fixing to sing again.
Music's coming back on.
Bye.